Imagine waking up tomorrow and every face around you is a locked door. Not because people changed, because something in you did. That quiet voice that says she's lying, or he's about to snap, or this person is safe, just gone. You can still see smiles. You can still hear words, but the meaning behind them has evaporated. You are now the only creature on Earth that cannot read its own species. Most people think they're good at reading others. They're not. They're running a system so ancient it predates language. A split-second processor that took millions of years to wire. It lives below conscious thought. You don't decide to trust someone. Your body decides for you. Micro-expressions, vocal shifts, the way someone's shoulders tighten half a second before they speak. Your brain reads all of it in the time it takes to blink and files it under one word. Safe or threat.
Strip that away and the world doesn't become confusing. It becomes lethal. Because here's what most people don't realize. Dark psychology isn't some rare skill set used by master manipulators. It's what every human is capable of when the person across from them can't see it coming. Manipulation thrives in the blind spot. Con artists, cult leaders, abusers, they don't have superpowers. They have one advantage. They can read you better than you can read them. Remove your ability to read them back, and every interaction becomes a negotiation where only one side knows the terms.
But go deeper. What happens to a species that can't predict each other? Cooperation collapses, not slowly, overnight. Trade requires trust. Trust requires prediction. Prediction requires reading. No reading, no trust, no trade, no civilization. Archaeologists found that early hominids who showed signs of pro-social behavior, sharing food, grooming, coordinated hunting, survived at dramatically higher rates than solitary ones. The ones who couldn't read the group got pushed out, and the ones who got pushed out didn't make it. So the real question isn't why dark psychology exists, it's why you evolved to see it coming. Your ability to sense manipulation isn't a burden, it's the most expensive survival tool your species ever built, and you're using it right now without knowing it. Every stranger you glance at, every handshake that feels wrong, every smile that makes your stomach tighten. That's not anxiety. That's 4 million years of survival telling you something your eyes haven't caught up to yet.